Welcome to Healthy, your go-to channel for all things wellness. In today's video, we'll be discussing the amazing health benefits of a commonly overlooked vegetable, beet greens. Not only are they delicious and versatile, but they're also packed with nutrients that can benefit your overall health and well-being. So, if you're curious about how beet greens can boost your health, stick around and let's dive in. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video from us. Beet greens, or beet leaves, are the young shoots of the beet plant. This plant has the scientific name Beta vulgaris, while in the Netherlands it is called beeten greens. In Spain it is called hojas de remolacha, and in Germany it is called mangold. This plant is native to the Mediterranean region and can grow 1 to 2 feet tall. Usually they are harvested during the cool spring season all year round. Beet leaves have long been used in cooking in Asia, North Africa, and Europe, and have now spread to many regions around the world. The main nutrients contained in these leaves are large amounts of protein, iron, zinc, phosphorus, fiber, magnesium, various kinds of vitamins, copper, potassium, manganese, and many more. With so many good ingredients in beet greens, the leaves of this plant have many benefits, such as preventing premature aging, preventing various eye diseases, maintaining blood pressure, and many more. For more details, the following Healthy channel presents some of the benefits of beet greens for health. But previously, for those of you who are interested in videos like this, you can subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video. Prevent premature aging. In this case, beet greens play a role in detoxifying our bodies. Adequate amounts of iron, fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants, carotenoids, and potassium help prevent the effects of free radicals in the body while removing various harmful substances from our bodies. This prevents premature aging and makes cell regeneration more optimal so that the internal and external organs are properly maintained. Good for digestive health. The fiber content in beet greens is very effective for maintaining digestive health. This plays an important role in ensuring cleaner digestion, more regular bowel movements, while ensuring that nutrients in food can be absorbed optimally. Low fat and calories. A 100-gram dose of beet greens contains 0.2 grams of fat and 40.3 calories. In addition, beets contain dietary fiber and whole carbohydrates, which can help maintain a higher energy level throughout the day, so it will be very good for those who are on a weight reduction diet. Regulates blood clotting. There is a vitamin K content in beet greens, which plays a role in blood clotting, wound healing, maintaining bone health, and also heart health. Indeed, many vegetables contain vitamin K, but beet greens is one that is recommended because of the sufficient amount of vitamin K. Beet greens are good for bones. Bones need important mineral intake such as vitamin C, folate, copper, magnesium, and various vitamins to grow and maintain their density properly. All the intake needed by the bones is in beet greens. In addition, beet greens also contain silica, a mineral that helps the body absorb calcium so that bone health can be maximized and prevent various kinds of bone diseases, such as osteoporosis and other bone diseases. Beet greens has the potential to prevent Alzheimer's. Beets and beet greens are brain food, so consuming them regularly can slow the effects of dementia. Dementia left untreated early can lead to nerve damage and Alzheimer's. Beet greens ensures that oxygen intake and various important nutrients can be spread to all parts of the body, including the brain. Beet greens controls blood pressure. The progress of the times and modern lifestyles with various demands of life trigger a lot of stress at this time. The condition of the body that is most affected by the burden of the mind is blood pressure. The higher the blood pressure will have an effect on the health of other body organs. Various health problems will arise, such as heart disease, arterial disease, kidney disease, and various other serious diseases. Beets and beet greens contain nitrates, which naturally turn into nitric oxide when digested in the body, and have antiplatelet properties which prevent blood clots and thickening of blood vessel walls, thereby improving blood circulation and preventing blood pressure from rising. Consuming it in the daily diet is an important measure to maintain blood pressure. In general, beet greens also have the ability like other vegetables, namely preventing anemia and increasing stamina with the various nutrients contained in them. If you are among those who feel the benefits of beet greens, you can comment to share your experience. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.